Jason Whigham is a licensed mortgage loan originator committed to helping purchasers and debtors much better understand all of their economical funding options through higher transparency and homebuyer education throughout California. NMLS number 1448396. Call 916-413-3967 for more information. California Dream for All Program, 20% down payment assistance. Birds Landing. The California Dream for All Property Buyer Assistance Program provides qualified novice buyers a quiet second loan for 20% deposit aid. The Dream for All Home Mortgage and Assistance Program is another method California is assisting property buyers get affordable funding, increase homeownership, and develop generational wealth. Don't miss IT Spring 2023 will bring the Dream for All deposit scheme. They anticipate the DFA program will aid 200-300 families due to Governor Newsom's $700 million budget plan decline. Fill out this Homebuyer Help Prequal type and select Dream for Everyone in the loan program dropdown to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. The DFA Fund Property Buyer Help Program will be self-reliant by means of shared equity returns and will not problem California taxpayers. Program advantages. Avoiding PMI reduces monthly payments. PMI. Loan amount decreases regular monthly payment. More down payment and lesser payment increase purchasing power. No regular monthly secondary silent second help loan repayment. Property owner repays Dream for All Help loan when they sell, refinance, or transfer home. The homebuyer will repay the down payment loan and a part of the house appreciation upon sale, transfer, or refinance. What's shared appreciation? Shared gratitude, or shared equity, means that because the California State Housing Finance Agency is investing, partnering, in your ability to buy a home that will develop generational wealth, you will split or share a small portion of the home's worth increase when you sell, transfer ownership, or divided or shared appreciation. Your income determines how much gratitude the State Housing Authority gets when you offer or refinance. 80%/20% split equals borrowers with earnings 80% to 150% of the AMI keep 80% of home gratitude. 75%/15% equals under 80% AMI customers keep 75% of house appreciation, almost anyone. Shared appreciation limit equals 5 times the primary loan amount. A $500,000 purchase by a moderate income house owner after 5 years is shown listed below. Aspiration eligibility. Newbie property buyers, those without a home after 3 years. 660 minimum. Debt-to-income limit, 45%. SFR/condo min/max CLTV, 70%/105%. No empty co-signers. County income limit. CalHFA requires property buyer education. Needed 1-year home service warranty. CalPlus Zip and My Home Assistance are incompatible. Discover your options. Have similar queries? What about other property buyer help programs? Best aid program? Which program pays the least? Which program will assist you get more? I do this. I assist you decide and get pre-approved for the Homebuyer Aid program you select. Most lenders are unaware of or not able to use help services. Most loan officers do not have the details, experience, and resources to answer these queries. Many will lie and state you're not qualified or try to make a help program appear terrible. Looking for Dream for Everyone help? Complete this down payment help prequal form to get pre-approved for the best home mortgage or property buyer assistance program. They anticipate the DFA program will aid 300 households due to Governor Newsom's $700 million spending plan reduction. Fill out this Homebuyer Help Prequal kind and select Dream for Everyone in the loan program dropdown to get pre-qualified and on the waiting list. The majority of lenders are uninformed of or not able to use help services. The majority of loan officers lack the information, experience, and resources to address these queries. Lots of will lie and state you're not eligible or attempt to make an assistance program seem terrible. California Dream for All program, 20% down payment assistance Birds Landing, purchase, sell property residential or commercial properties with Jennifer Whigham. Call Jennifer at 916-370-6584 to get assist with settlements, documents and closing the deal. Work with your successful regional top reel.